Basic English conversation for kids.
Hello, I'm your friend, Bobo. I'll help you practice English conversation. Please follow my directions. Thank you! This is a picture of my garden. Words. After you listen to each word, say the word. Garden. Backyard. Plant. Small. Conversation. What is that?
This is a picture of my garden.
Where is the garden?
It's in my backyard.
What are the plants?
They are tomato plants.
Where are the tomatoes?
Do you see these small red things?
Yes,
They are tomatoes.
practice. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better. What is that?
This is a picture of my garden.
Where is the garden?
It's in my backyard.
What are the plants?
They are tomato plants.
Where are the tomatoes?
Do you see these small red things?
Yes,
They are tomatoes.
word quiz. Backyard. Garden. Small. Plant. Conversation quiz.
is a picture of my garden.
What did Lily say? What are the plants?
Do you see these small red things? They are tomato plants.
What did Max say?
Do you see these small red things?
Yes. What is that?
They are tomatoes.
You did it. You were superstar.
Yay!
Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.